Hi guys, I'm Weiwu. Welcome to my magical trick video. Today I'm going to show you how to use my magical trick to KO this problem without any thinking and calculation. So here we go. So let's take a look at this calculus problem with maximum mark 2 and belongs to paper 2. Find the value of limit n tends to infinity, summation x equal to 1 to n, x to the power 4 over e to the power n. So basically, there are two ways to deal with this problem. And for the normal way, first of all, you have to do some little observation because as n tends to infinity, you can see your numerator here will become x equal to summation from x equal to 1 to infinity, right? Yeah, because n tends to infinity. So which means your numerator will actually tends to infinity. And for your denominator, e to the power n and n's tend to infinity will also tends to infinity. So this is definitely the form of infinity over infinity. So which will use the L'Hopital's rule for the normal way, okay? Yeah, you can see from the screen. The normal way is actually used saying the L'Hopital's rule. And for the L'Hopital's rule, of course, you have to differentiate step by step. So differentiate for the first time, second time, third time, and the fourth time. And you will have summation x equal to 1 to n 24 over e to the power n. And now you can use the rule of summation. So summation x equal to 1 to n, 24 will become 24n, yeah, because you got n 24 right there, so 24 times n, right? And now you can use the L'Hopital's rule once more time. Yes, because at n tends to infinity, your numerator 24 times infinity, of course, tends to infinity. E to the power n, e to the power infinity, of course, still infinity. So still the form of infinity over infinity, so use the L'Hopital's rule one more time. And you have 24 over e to the power n after you have differentiated once more. So e to the power n as n tends to infinity, so 24 over e to the power infinity, of course. 24 over infinity will give us 0 there. So you will be awarded A2 for all your correct answers here, okay? So now you can see for the normal way, you're actually doing a tons of steps by using the L'Hopital's rule, and those differentiation will be pretty time consuming, okay? So here I'm going to teach you how to use my Weiwu's limit trick to KO this problem without any thinking and calculation. So here we go. So for my Weiwu's limit trick, which will be pretty simple here. So you can see n tends to infinity, right? So for my limit trick, actually I am just putting a pretty large number for n. Yeah, because n tends to infinity. Say I'm going to put n equal 1,000. Yeah, pretty large number. So our limit n tends to infinity, summation x equal to 1 to n, x to the power 4. And here I'm going to use the law of indices to rewrite this fraction. So over e to the power n will becomes e to the power minus n, right? Yeah, becomes multiply e to the power minus n. And now is the time to put back in our GDC. Yes, because if you just rewrite into that form, it may be easier to type in our GDC to do our calculations. So here we go. So as AC to start, and so to type the summation, you can press options, followed by F4, the calculation, and then F6, continue, and now you see F3 for the summation. So X, and then power back 10 for 4, and then right back 10, X equal to 1. And for the upper limit, and I'm just substitute equal to 1,000, right? So input 1,000 here. And so right back 10 and then times shift length for e and then minus n, and of course n equal to 1,000, so minus 1,000, okay? So execute, and you just wait for a few seconds, and you can get your answer. So it will be equal to 0, and that is what we want. And of course, you can see you just get the same answer for the complicated and clumsy normal way, okay? So if you get this right, you will be awarded A2 for getting the correct values of limit. So this is the power of my magical trick, and I will see you in the next video.